Hey, what's up? Welcome to Los Cabos. Guess what I did yesterday? I went on a boat. And then I played golf. And today, I'm swinging on a bed on a beach. A swinging bed on a beach. Who would have thought? Oh, it feels good to be traveling again. But that's not what this video is about. It's not about my sailing trip or my golf trip or the wonderful meal I just had. Am I bragging? I feel like I'm bragging. That was not the intention here. I'm very excited to not be in Portland in my house. So I wanted to take advantage of this. This is actually a story about a really negative experience that I had last week. And I feel like you might relate to it. So if you found yourself occasionally having down days, not able to motivate, languishing as you try and do everything you can to do something positive to push yourself forward in your life and you're not able to, you've had days like that, then this video is for you. I just wanted to have a quick conversation. This is a video I've been wanting to shoot for the last couple days because it's a message that I think I occasionally need to hear, and so I figured maybe you would be interested as well. So today, as I'm recording this, it is Wednesday. Last Thursday, 6 days ago, I was catching up with a friend that I hadn't talked to in months. And so we're doing the typical catch-up things like, hey, how's life? They asked. And so I gave a brutally honest answer. I said, things are great. My business is by far having its best year ever. Elliot, our daughter, just took her first steps. She just said dada for the first time. We're loving our new house. Everything's really good. I had this trip to Mexico to look forward to in a couple days, but then something kind of surprising happened the very next day, Friday, 5 days ago. I couldn't do anything. Literally, I sat on the couch for 12 hours. I think 8 or 9 of those hours, literally all I did was sit here and scroll my phone. I couldn't tell you a single thing I looked at. All I did was feel sorry for myself, and I couldn't motivate myself to do anything. And the whole time I just kept beating myself up. I'm like, if life's so good, then why am I languishing on the couch right now and, feeling so sorry for myself and feeling borderline depressed and melancholy and unable to do something simple like go out to the golf course to review a product that I was really excited about. So then throughout that process, in the 12 hours while I was sitting there feeling sorry for myself, you start to wonder, it's like, well, is life actually that good? Am I just lying to myself? Am I lying to other people? And then I kind of realized something, that no matter where you are in life, no matter how successful you are, no matter how good things are, you're gonna have bad days. You're gonna have off days. You're gonna have days where you just don't feel like being motivated. You don't feel like doing anything. And when that happens, you just need to embrace it. Rather than fight it, this is something I've learned, rather than fight it on those days, you just say, you know what? Today might be a lost cause, I'm gonna try and do one thing. Maybe I'll go for a walk. That was the only thing I did last Friday, was I went for a 30-minute walk, and even that just kind of felt depressing. But I went to bed early, I woke up the next day, and I felt good again. Everything was feeling better. And so I think the important message I wanted to impart here is don't judge yourself by your worst days, because you are going to have bad days, especially if you were trying to take a path of entrepreneurship, if you were starting a new business, you're looking to make a change in your life. You're gonna have really good days where you're really excited, and you're gonna have horrible days where you feel like a failure and you feel like nothing good can happen and you question all of your decisions. But don't judge yourself based on those days, because no matter how long you've been doing it, I've been doing this for 12 years, I still occasionally have days like that. And in some ways, I just wanted to record this as a reminder to myself that things can be good as a whole, but on any given day, things can be really bad, and you can be sad or depressed or lethargic or whatever it might be. And that doesn't say anything bad about you. That just says that you're human and you maybe need to take a break and cut yourself some slack. So really important message for people that are just starting new businesses. So if you've been beating yourself up, if you've had a bad day over the past month or two, if you've struggled with that, maybe you've had a bad series of days, you're okay. you're gonna be fine. So there you go. My name's Sean Ogle. I'm the founder of this thing here at Location Rebel, where we teach you how to build online businesses using your words. Whether you want to be a freelancer, a blogger, if you want to make money writing on the internet, that's what we help you do. So if you got some value out of this video, be sure to hit subscribe, do the thumbs up. I'm probably gonna try and throw in some more B-roll of Mexico because I don't know when I'm gonna get to travel again, and I'm very excited. We're leaving here in about 3 hours. I got 3 hours left in paradise, and so I think I just want to sit on this bed. That didn't go as well. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, that wasn't as comfortable, but I could probably make, now I'm just rambling. We'll see you on the next video.